Hey everybody. So last week, one of our warm-ups involved these two word problems, and you guys found how much the seeds varied by and how much the weight of the book bag varied by. This week, we're going to look at these same type of situations, but we now have an equation to help us solve them. So the equation is optional. If you want to just solve them the way we have been, that's fine. But I wanted to show it to you guys in case you wanted to try the equation. So this unit has been about absolute values. So when you have situations where you start with a main number and then you vary by a certain amount. So here we start with a package usually has 25 seeds, but the number can vary by 3 seeds. So it can change by 3 seeds. And they want us to find the maximum and minimum number of seeds. We could plug those numbers into an equation. So the 25 would be my starting amount. And then the 3 is how much I'm going to change by, because it could change 3 up or 3 down. So if I set up this equation, it goes x minus the starting amount, so minus 25, equals the amount it changes by, which is 3. So then from there, we can do the whole splitting it up. So x minus 25 is 3, a distance of 3 from 0. So we would have x minus 25 equals positive 3. And x minus 25 equals negative 3. So here, if you add 25, we're going to get x equals 28. And here, I ran out of room, of course. If I add 25, I get x equals 22. So what that tells me is my maximum amount of seeds is 28, and my minimum amount of seeds is 22. So that is the final answer here. So you also could have solved this problem the way we did last week, which was just saying, I've got 25 in the middle, kind of run out of room. And if I go 3 up, I hit 28. And if I go 3 down, I hit 22. So that's another way you can find it. So this equation is optional, but it is another way you can solve these problems if you'd like an equation. I'm going to show one more. So the average weight of your book bag is 20 pounds. So that's our start number. Its total weight can vary, so vary is like the change, by 5 pounds. So when we set it up, it'll look like x minus the start, so x minus 20 equals 5. So we can split it up, set x minus 20 equal to positive 5, and x minus 20 equal to negative 5. Add 20 on both sides. So here we have x equals 25 and x equals 15. So the bigger number is our maximum. So our maximum is 25 and our minimum is 15. So once again, you do not have to use the equation. It is optional, but I just wanted to show you another way to solve these types of problems that we're working with this week.